This is where the education starts to come to life. The Forex Academy gives you a structured place to begin learning how the markets work, instead of trying to piece everything together on your own. The scanners and tools are there to help identify potential opportunities and bring more structure to the way that you look at the charts. Alongside that sits a full training academy with tutorial videos that allow you to build your own understanding step by step in your own pace and in your own time. Then you have the live side of the education. Rather than only reading or watching theory, you can see charts being worked through in real time and hear why particular areas are being considered, and use the live chat to ask your questions in the moment as the session unfolds. There is more than one approach available. You will see shorter term styles such as scalping, longer term, swing trading, and sessions that look at different asset types. That matters because one method will not suit every person, every routine, or every learning style. Chart analysis can also be shared directly through the app. We just covered that, giving you something practical to review when you're away from your desk or on the go. The value is how the parts work together. The training gives you the foundation. The tools help you look for the structure, and the live sessions help you to turn the information into something that you can begin to actually understand for yourself.